So for question 2, explore how changes to dimensions affect a pyramid. The height of a rectangular pyramid is 12 centimeters, the width of its base is 4 centimeters, and the length of its base is 6 centimeters. Explore how changes to the dimensions affect the volume of this pyramid. So what is the volume of this rectangular pyramid? So jump over to Google, volume of a rectangular pyramid. Here we go. Base length, they told us, was 6 centimeters. The base width was 4 centimeters, and the height of the pyramid was 12 centimeters. So if we click go, that gives us 96 cubic centimeters for its volume. If the dimensions of the base doubled, which means both the length and the width of the rectangle double, and the height stays the same, how does this volume of the rectangular pyramid change? The new volume is double the original volume. The new volume is 4 times the original volume. The new volume is half the original volume, and the new volume is the same as the original volume. Okay, well, if we can just go through this. So it says to double, that means both the length and the width of the rectangle double. So what's double 6? That's 12. What's double 4? That is 8. That gives us 384. So let's compare 384 to 96. That was the original one. So if we jump over to a calculator, it says the new volume is double the original. So the original was 96. Let's multiply that by 2. Is that 300? Nope, it's only 192. What about its 4 times? So multiply it by 4. It's multiplied by 4, so it's 4 times the original volume. So that's one way you can explore and answer this. The other way is because it doubled the length here, there's that multiplied by 2, and then they multiplied by 2 again because they doubled the width of it. So that's how come it ends up being 4 times the original volume, is because you multiplied the length and you multiplied the width. So 2 times 2 is 4. So if the height is halved and the dimensions of the base stay the same, how does the original volume change? So let's go back. The original volume length was 6, the original width was 4, and they're saying to cut this in half. So if you look at this, this 6 is not going to be as large of a number when you multiply by 12 right there. So it gives us 48. So let's compare 96 to 48. So it says the new volume is half the original volume. So let's try that. 96 divided by 2. That would give us what half is. Does that give us 48? Yes, it does. So the new volume is half the original volume. Congratulations, if the height is halved and the dimensions of the base stay the same, the volume would be length times 1/3 length times width times the height divided by 2. So that's where this 1/2 in the front comes from, is because they just rearranged it. And so that's how you go through and answer question 2.